Away they go. One slow out, significant other. Nine Dragon fast to begin rushing about the outside is Mr. Saber, the chairman Musashi, and moving up by the rest lever action. I want justice. Len is racing in 7th position. Then comes significant other touch of gold and Lucky Lorky. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, lever action 9 Dragon. Musashi is on the outside, the chairman Mr. Saber. Down on the inside, significant other alongside is Len. I want justice, touch of gold and Lucky Lorky. Passing the half-mile post, 9 Dragon by Hapoland. Musashi on the outside, lever action. Down on the inside, the chairman, Len is racing on the outside. Rounding the far turn, 9 Dragon, lever action, Musashi, the chairman, Len is on the outside as they race the last 500. 9 Dragon, followed by lever action, the chairman, Len is on the outside, and Musashi as they race the final corner. It's 9 Dragon from the outside, alongside lever action, down on the inside, the chairman, Len and Musashi. 9 Dragon, lever action down on the inside, but 9 Dragon still leading by Hapoland, lever action by Drell. 9 Dragon draws clear by about 3 lengths, and finally 9 Dragon, lever action, the chairman, Len, and for your Fantafecta, Mr. Xavier.